COVID protocols and guidelines to continue in Assam until further order. KSA Kaziranga unit hold candlelight vigil for Rose and Samuel Sangma. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host, Bon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. The COVID curfew and restriction will continue as per earlier order as cases improved in 11 districts including West Karbi Anglong and Dima South districts. But 7 districts comprising of Golpara, Lakhimpur, Golaghat, Jorhat, Sonitpur, Biswanath and Morigaon will be under total containment round the clock until further order due to high positivity rate. This was stated in the latest order issued by the government of Assam through the Assam State Disaster Management Authority on Tuesday.
As per the order, curfew time will continue round the clock for districts having high positivity rate, while business establishment will remain open from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. in districts with moderate positivity rate that include Karbi Anglong, and the curfew for the same district will also continue from 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. On the other hand, West Karbi Anglong and Dima South districts, which are showing improvement in case load, and therefore curfew time is from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. The order further states that public and private transport is totally banned in containment districts, while there will be no restriction on interstate and intrastate movement, including transportation of essential and non-essential goods. Mask is mandatory at all public places at all times, while use of hand sanitizers and maintenance of social distance are also mandatory as per the earlier orders. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
The Karbi Students Association Kaziranga District Committee organized a candlelight vigil program on Monday evening in memory and in demand of justice for Samuel Sangma and his aunt Rose Sangma, both of whom died under mysterious circumstances in Gurugram, Haryana.
The students' body also expressed their deep anguish and anger over the incident that has shaken the entire northeastern states of India. Voicing their demand, the Karbi students' body also asserted for a high-level probe into the mysterious circumstances under which both the aunt and nephew were found dead, even though their deaths have been labeled as medical complication and suicide. Subhas Dheran's report from Langchatheng, Karbi Anglong Live. Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chumesen hanaan long iji ladak nanglitum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji. Kelong jia sonamong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserangahan hipi gipi chatni dumke karlu phak ok kiup phak ok slice fry, phak ok kipi, phak ok kimung, lang ok kiup, lang ok fry, vo ok kimung, vo ok han lapenan parta, VIP AC room longponengji. Komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai lapen kaprek ajay megalongta nangji pulote long iji. Aprang pen kepathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-23986 along Humri lote long ponichi. Lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniglo. Dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka Karbi Anglong.
The Karbi Anglong police got another success in their war against drugs as they seized a total of 20.5 kilograms of ganja from the possession of one auto rickshaw passenger on Tuesday morning. Here's a short report.
The checkpoint was set up by OC Khatkati SI UB Moblik Brahma and assisted by SI UB Charan Mohan Chetia, ASI Mohan Nath and staff in front of SBI Khatkati branch. And as planned, the auto rickshaw was intercepted and the ganja was recovered from the possession of one person identified as 30 years old Bhola Paul, son of late Ranjit Paul of Santiban Hojai, during a police search conducted immediately after setting up a naka at Khatkati under the Bokajan subdivision on receiving tip-off from its source. The ganja was stuffed in 10 packets. All of the recovered ganja was opened under the supervision of Bokajan SDPO APS John Das.
কৰিছিলে হেমৰমে আমাৰ উচিত কটি এছে মোবিল ব্ৰহ্মতে এটা নাকাল ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলে আমাৰ ফটোৰিতে তো প্ৰায় 10টা বজাত এখন পেছেঞ্জাৰটো আমি ইণ্টাৰচেপ্ট কৰিলোঁ। তো আপোনাৰ 20 কেজি গাঞ্জা পোৱা গৈছে আৰু ভোলা পল নামৰ এজন মানুহ এৰেষ্ট কৰা হৈছে। তেওঁৰ ঘৰ হ'ল হোজাই।
কিমান ধৰা আছিলে বস্তুখিনি ছাৰ?
20 কেজি আছিল গাঞ্জা।
বজাৰৰ মূল্য কেনেকুৱা?
পাৰ কেজি 10,000 কে হ'ব।
Anandarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.
Located over 5 kilometers away from Koilamati under the Nilip MSC constituency, inhabitants of Inghet Langso Ramterang villages have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to construct a good road to end the decades-long communication wars. Our Chokehola correspondent has sent us this report.
According to the villagers, their village was established in 2016 with around 90 to 20 families, and this year the village household have reached to 30 families, with each occupying 1 bigha of land, but sadly they do not have good road, due to which their living conditions did not show any change. While narrating their hardships, residents of this village told Karbi Anglong Live that their lives becomes almost unbearable whenever any of their family members or any of the villagers needs medical attention. Following this, residents of the village have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang to have compassion on them and consider their appeal for construction of a good road to end their years-long communication woes once for all.
Chuningri laki dang ni tumorong Ramterang elephant corridor nili chuningri poke labang so atowar athike itum so ka siksa son dolo yo kedam ke bang mate la usumar tum tami la school pini dun la penako la sumar tum kisu pini tami la he gari motor pen ge heman ke mentini ke bang nangko ke ni tumang so kasik sa ka son dolo yo mane ai chi pon che wani phan mituni ke mi verge asu pathak la tawar mission itum han na pi ponji laki nitum la nilip MSC Pobitro rongpi aphan chunuri lo la pen kitum masar tuliram rang hang langi phan tami chunuri pono la bangso tawar itum mission ka cheleng loi phan na pi ponji phan si langi phan itum chunuri lo
Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.
Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.